Hello Sakafet, hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making shrimp fried rice. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Before I do my fried rice, guys, I'll cook the rice ahead of time. Let it cool, just cut everything up, get them ready, because when you're doing something like this, it's very quick. So the actual work comes in preparing everything. So I'm just gonna put it all together now. My pot is nice and hot. I'm using a wok. I'm gonna fry my shrimps. And the reason I'm doing that is because I wanna cook the shrimps first, remove them from the oil, and then I'm gonna do my eggs, remove it, and everything else I'm going to cook. And I don't want the shrimp to overcook, and that's why I'm doing it this way. Also the egg, I don't want it to get burnt. Okay, so I'm going to put some oil in here. My oil is nice and hot, guys, so now I'm adding the shrimp. I seasoned my shrimps because what I did when I washed them up, and I did put some pepper and seasoned salt on it. I did put a little bit of cayenne. See, now they're all done. I'm gonna take them out. And what I'm doing, keeping them out here in a separate bowl. Okay? I'm gonna put my eggs in. I have 3 eggs, and I'm just gonna fry that in there. So these eggs are actually cooking in that seasoned oil, so that's good. It's going to have nice flavor as well. Now I'm going to add a little bit more oil. And now I'm adding some ginger. And I leave my ginger, I don't do them too small because I think I like to take them out after. Now I'm going to put some onions. So my onions have been cooking for a little bit, so I think now they're good. I can put my peppers. Now I have this, it's green and red pepper combination. Also some garlic, fresh garlic. Smells so good. And I'm just going to let that cook down for a bit. And guys, I did turn my heat down to about medium because with the onions and the peppers, you know, I don't want them to burn. So I want it to cook nicely. And then when I'm doing everything, I'll turn it up again. See my peppers and my onions, they're pretty cooked. So what I'm going to do now is turn up the heat a little bit. And now too, I'm going to season it. So I have this Chinese 5 spice. I'm going to use some of that in there. So I'm going to use about half a teaspoon of that because it's a very strong spice, right? There's cloves and it's going to be like really strong. So I have some mixed vegetables. I'm going to add that to it. And I'm using a parboiled rice because I don't like rice that's sticky. So I like my rice nice and grainy. I'm going to put some soy sauce. I'm going to put my eggs in now. Looks like I need some more soy sauce, so I'm going to add more. Give it a little color. I'm going to add some green onions. And I'll leave a little bit to garnish and some parsley. want to break up the egg and make sure you got really tiny pieces all over. You can hear that soy sauce, it's frying out, which is what you want. That's why I turn it up high, so it's gonna not get soggy. And now I can add my shrimps in there. So in goes the shrimp. Oh guys, that smells so good. I'm going to just try it for flavor. Good. I can put a little black pepper in there. I like some bean sprout in my fried rice. So now it's all done. I'm just going to add some to it. Okay, not too much. And it's done. And here you have it, guys, our delicious shrimp fried rice. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a great day and God bless.